Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Mirza Ali Ahmed and you are watching my YouTube channel. I hope you are all fine. I am going to tell you in this video about Hunger Station. This is popular delivery application in Saudi Arabia and operating in most popular cities of Saudi Arabia, and I am thankful to you that you take your spare time to watch my video on my channel. And this video I am making about the Hunger Station, full training from A to Z in special request of our Filipino friends and admin of one of the popular YouTube channel Latest News KSA Asim Khan. If you will follow some rules and regulation, if you will follow some tips and tricks, you can definitely earn in this company in Hunger Station. Even if you do part-time or full-time job, no problem, will be no any issue. If you are watching my video first time, I request to all of you that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so if I upload any video in future in upcoming days, you will be notified timely. My request to all that please don't skip this video. If you will skip any part of this video, any information will be missing, and this is very informative video. Please follow some step that I am going to tell you in this video. Some people tell that this is a scam. Not scam, this is a real base company. Only 10 out of 100 people are scam. They are cheaters, but not all people are confident, and make your confidence inside. If you will not in confident, so any customer can trap you. And other thing, if it is possible to learn Arabic, please learn Arabic, how to speak, how to write Arabic if it is possible, because mostly persons are Arabic speaking. And make gloves, wear mask, and you make use of bag. If you don't have bag, please use proper cartoon. Install extra application in your mobile phone. Minimum there will be 4 GB space needs spare and 2 GB spare RAM need for your mobile phone. Then this Hunger Station application will be smoothly run. And timely check your data, because this is very important to check data after 1 days 2 days. If suddenly your data will finish during picking any order, so you will be worried, you will be in problem. So that's why please take care about your data also, and make checkup, timely checkup of your vehicle, your car. If you have a bike, if you have a car, check properly its filters, petrol, oil, water, etc. Clean your vehicle, and don't wear inappropriate dress, wear decent dress. Don't wear sleeveless shirts and half pants. Just take care about your dress also, be neat and clean, and don't wear this kind of dress that expose your body parts. And now we start our video tutorial, and at the end of the video I will tell you some tips and tricks, and how to handle some complaints, how to do complaints. Dear friends, when our IT process is complete and ready to work, when we receive call from Hunger Station or any message from Hunger Station, how we can start work? This is Roadrunner application. I will tap on this icon. This page will open. Then we will select our country, because this application is running in many countries in through different companies like Food Panda, that is working in Pakistan, and some other countries. We will tap Saudi Arabia. We will write here our mobile number that we have entered in the process of ID. So 966, I write my own number. If we forget our password that came through SMS, so we will tap on forget password here. Here we will write our mobile number, then we will submit. Sometime it should start with 966, sometime it should start with 0. So I came back because I have already my password. But when you put here mobile number and submit, then new message came with your new password. So I have already entered my password in this, so tap in login. So after login it will take permission, so I will allow all time. This page is come. Now we will see other settings. Here this is the main menu, profile. So I will go on my profile to check. We have to check our Ikama number, our STC pay number. If there is any error, we should change. So this is STC pay. Here you can edit this number also. Tap this side. Here you will write your number without 0. Then click on this one and you will click here Irsal. So I have already put my STC number. I will came back. So this is our performance. On second performance, we can see our performance that update every 15 days. This is 2, it's mean I have 3 stars. 1, it's mean 4 stars or 5 stars. I came back. This is setting. So in setting, enable map. I will enable map. Heat map. This should be okay. Heat map, how we can understand heat map, I will tell you later in video. This option you can leave okay or not okay, no problem. We will come back. Other setting, rider support. When we want to register a complaint, we can register rider support. So this is the plus icon. We have to put subject, product of Saudi Arabia, subject, what is the topic, what about complaint you are complaining what kind of, and then here you will put the detail of complaint. Here you will submit. I came back. So this was short introduction of our menu. Now came on these things. Downside, here status, here deliveries. This will enable when we will start work. This is map. So because we have tick on heat map, where order are too much, maximum orders, these area will be red light, red areas indication. Okay, but this is not important that you will receive order too much quickly, because many rider came on this side with hope of taking orders. Okay, then this is history. This is history when you complete your order after 12 o'clock at night, new date change. So this is my work. 3 order I only completed, and if I came back, this is back and this is forward. Okay, you can see your history, all history. This is wallet. So you can see upside total amount of my wallet, downside every order how much I earned with the order. This is coin indication. This is coin indication, it's my earning. And this indication I have collect from client this amount. For this order how much I earn, this one 726. By the way, I came back, but I will tell you something more. When your balance will be 200 real, then you can cash out, but every amount should be up to 48 hour old. For example, I did work 88 real, so after 24 or after 48 hours it should came on this section, cash out option. So when my this amount will be 2 days old minimum, then it will be further transfer in this area. When our wallet is 200 or up to 200, when our 200 real old minimum 2 days 3 days, then they will come here. And then if we will tap on cash out, we will receive that amount in our STC pay. Normally Hunger Station give you cash from customer, Sometime you give restaurant amount from your wallet, then it goes through notification, then customer pay you. So when you get only card orders, credit card orders, so here wallet amount collect when it reach minimum 200 or 300 400, then further it will be came in this section. I hope you will understand what I mean to say. So I came back. Now I will log in. How we can log in, I tell you the detail. And before pickup, how we can understand orders, I will teach you through screenshots. Keep with me till the end of the video. Thank you. Dear friends, when you tap on start work, these three options will appear: car, bag type, body temperature. You have to select car, bag type, standard box, and then tap on the temperature. In body temperature menu, you can put value between 36.1 to 36.3. Then tap on tick mark box and start work. After this, new window will appear. It will start work. When you don't want to work more, you can tap on stop work. See, stop working. Sometimes start work not proper, this window will appear. This will automatic 2 minute, it will online after 2 minutes. If not, you can tap again on start. These kind of order we can receive. Normally these are layouts. Upper right side decline, you can decline 2 to 3 order if you don't want to go, but this will decrease your rating. Left side up earning, and downside right time counting, and left side your acceptance rate. These order customer paid already, and if customer don't want to pay from card, or if he don't have cash in card, this layout will open. If we have enough balance in our wallet, so these two options will come. If we want to pay cash, then we have to pay cash to restaurant. If we can pay from wallet, we can pay from wallet, then from our wallet the price will be transferred to restaurant account. If customer has pay already, this menu will come after accepting order, or if we pay from our wallet, this will come. It's mean we don't have to pay on restaurant. But if we don't have enough balance in our restaurant, or if we tap on cash icon, so the option will come we have to pay cash. It's mean the customer want to pay cash and he don't have balance in his credit card. We have to pay cash to restaurant. And this is Faza order. Be careful about that order. I already told in my video that Faza order normally is VIP order. Upside is restaurant location, the downside is order. This order number just for formality, we have to give all order manually, and we can dispatch order also. You can see the third option downside, dispatch order. We can dispatch order if a customer is not responding. But if you don't want to waste your time, you can communicate directly from customer chat. I will tell you in upcoming screenshots how we can communicate with customer. So if customer not responding, sometimes this dispatch order option work. Order will automatic transfer to other rider. Sometimes we have to contact headphone support team, that you can see icon upper side of right. So after click on dispatch order, if not work, we have to cancel order through request headphone support if we have any problem. After click restaurant name, this GPS navigation will open. If customer will pay from card or we pay from our wallet, this layout came. This is order number. We have to show this order number to the restaurant. When we will click on this one, the summary of order will appear, that we can understand these two options. And the right side the box, we click on this order number copy, and the upper side of green circle is headphone support chat. When we will click on headphone support, we can go in this window. This headphone support work only issues according to the restaurant, according to order, according to the customer. At green arrow we can tap our message, we can paste our order here, order number, and after write order, the red circle was to send. Then I came back again. The green circle is pick up order when we collect order, and the red icon show that this is messenger for customer and rider, that customer and rider can communicate with each other. If there is something missing, if customer want to tell you something, if you want to tell you customer something, you can go through this window. This option will open. Normally I use Google Translator to translate English to Arabic. I write it here, don't purchase calling card, Play Store card, or other things like cigarette, tobacco. That kind of customer that put these requests are normally 60 to 70% are fake. So if customer told you to purchase recharge card, go for cancel order. If restaurant is giving late food, there is delay, too many riders, too many customers, so you can tell customer about the food will be delay, there is too much congestion. So customer will be cool down if you will be in touch with customer. You can see this window how I translate. After collect order, please check all things are available in order or not, and match them with receipt. After pickup, when you click on pickup, this option will come, take photo. When you will click on take photo, this option will come, adjust clear photo, take clear picture. One thing more, some restaurants has their ATM machine that give you small receipt. If you find this receipt, ask restaurant to make stamp. This is original restaurant stamp, it's okay, but other stamp, other receipt that will print it from machine, you have to put stamp on that receipt. After take picture, click on this one, upload and pick up. When you click, this will give option to confirm. You have to tap on confirm. When you click on confirm, delivery pickup updating. Then you come outside of restaurant and put your things into bag, hunger station bag, or if you don't have bag, you can put things in a carton or in any box. That will help food keep warm. This picture I attach after pickup order. A red arrow indicated that when we click on this, we can go to customer location, and the green arrow is telling the when we will reach, we can contact customer through this telephone icon. If we have to collect cash from customer, this option will appear, collect cash clearly. You have to collect first cash from customer and then you will give food to customer. If you reach on customer location, tap on phone icon. If this icon not appear, come downside right side of customer messenger, where you can find this option also. Then click on call, you can call to customer. After give order to customer, after check everything, you want to drop order, click on drop order, then click on confirm. if customer not pay you, customer not available its location, customer not accepting your phone, anything happen, direct you can direct contact at headphone chat support. I already tell in my video that you can contact anytime with headphone support. And when you click on hunger map, this option will indicate that you are at customer location. It will prove. When you not accept order, what will happen? This warning will come when you miss order or you decline order, that tell you that if you cancel or decline or not accept 3 more order, you will be blocked or put on break. These kind of things will affect on your rating, and if customer complain against you, this will also affect on your rating. So be careful. You see already I attach one screenshot of the complaint against driver. They make a 1 star. So this is another screenshot of collect cash, because I paid cash to restaurant. Customer give me cash. Simply I tap on finish order. Now this two order, how we can upload 2 order if hunger station give us 2 orders? When we will click on pickup, separately order number will appear. We will take separately every receipt pictures. Be careful about these 2 orders option, because when you enter in restaurant for 2 orders, separately make numbering on orders, and when you click on upload correct receipt of each order. Don't mix up. Okay, so when you take picture, when you attach further, then hunger station will select first where you have to go. Simply one by one you will go. Now I tap on upload and pick up. See, this option will come. Same way we will click on left side on customer. We will go on customer location. Same procedure. Only difference is that when we will reach, we will drop off our first order. When we will click on drop off, then second order will automatically appear, and we have to handle these orders correctly. Now I reach on second order location also, and I tap on finish and drop off. I give at this point food to customer. I will tap on drop off, confirm. Now job finish. Now I want to stop work. Friends, I click. You see all this video. I hope you learn many things in this video. Now I am going to tell, if you face some issues, how to handle that issues. First of all, on FASA order, be careful on this FASA order. In this order, I told you already that you have to purchase everything from your own money. This is a special base orders. In this order, if customer punch wrong location, you go on restaurant side, but you find yourself in residential area, don't waste your time. Go on headphone support and tell them that customer put wrong location, this area is not good, because you are not experienced. If any person experienced, then this is another topic. So they will cancel your order and you will be ready for take another order. And if you are going to restaurant in this way, customer ask to cancel, customer call you or customer message you, how you can cancel? Because you can save your money. Just contact on headphone support, give them order number and tell them that customer need cancel the order. Give them screenshot of call and screenshot if he sent you message, screenshot of message also, that he call you to cancel the order. If you purchase order already from restaurant and customer told you to cancel this order, definitely you should contact on headphone support to cancel this order and tell all things in detail about the customer. That customer what tells you, if order is going too late in the restaurant, please notify customer also and in headphone support also that your order is late little bit, there is a congestion of customers. These tips, if you will take care about this, this will help you in your earning and in your importance of rating. If you pay some amount on restaurant and customer call you and tell you that he don't have money, he has only credit card, so because you don't have a credit card machine, so please contact headphone support also. They will help you every time, but they will first listen to customer, then they will listen rider. So if you make any error, you can lose your amount that of order, so be careful about that. But if customer tell you on call when you take already order or you have paid for order, if customer call you that he don't have money, he has only credit card, request customer, because on your panel the amount will be written that please collect cash from customer. If you will find your panel that is telling you to collect cash from customer, you have to collect cash, and customer don't want to pay, contact headphone support. Other thing I am going to tell you that when you don't want to work, don't have any order, please stop work. Don't close application without tap on stop work. Other thing, if you take already order and you are going to customer location is wrong, 1 kilometer 2 kilometer difference, no problem. But if difference is about 5 kilometer 10 kilometer, so you have to communicate with customer if he can pay or she can pay extra to you, because you know the fuel prices are very high. So if he can pay extra, okay, no problem. If he don't want to pay, no problem, contact headphone support and tell them that customer need his order on different location, his location is too much far away, and send them screenshot of your hunger map. I already tell you in video that what is the hunger map. This proves you that you are at the customer location. Then they will communicate customer and they will ask customer how much he can pay. If customer cannot pay, so no problem, they will cancel the order and your order will go in review. Then you can take food and you can enjoy this food. But if customer want to pay extra and he already know that he put wrong location, so go to the customer location and provide him food. Other thing that customer, you go on customer location, customer is not receiving phone, and you sent customer message also, he is not replying you, send him message on WhatsApp also. After that you have to wait 15 minutes. If no any response, you have to contact the headphone support and tell them all things and send them screenshot that you have called the customer 5 times 6 times, and send them screenshot of your messenger of, I am talking about the Roadrunner application message option. Send them this screenshot of the station map screenshot also. This will help you to make complaint properly against the customer. Then they will cancel the order, they will contact to customer, they will proceed to customer contact. If customer will not receive their call also, they will proceed to cancel the order. And other thing is that if you are going to customer location and customer location is little bit 500 meter 600 meter is different, so order will not close, because sometime if you move your location right or left, the order will not close. So hunger station told that the rider must close this order on the customer location that he saved. So you already provided customer food. This is the best way to contact headphone support and request them that I already provided customer food, please close this order. So anytime the rider support agent will come, they will close the order. Other thing is very important, when you find your display that your display is telling collect amount from customer First you collect amount from customer, then give him order. We already told in our all videos about this issue, because some riders came under pressure, so they give order to customer and customer close the door and tell them that he will pay, but he will not pay. Hunger what will do? Hunger also told that this is your responsibility to collect first cash, then give him food. So take care about this. In these days some incidents are occurring, like if you get any Faza order, you go on any specified location, one person will come with shopping bag or with any parcel and will give you any parcel and ask you about money and give you an invoice. You will think that you will upload this invoice and you give normally rider give money, but if rider go on customer location, customer will not receive phone, so that rider is trapped, because they take already money from you and give you cheap things, like they take from you 100 real, and in shopping bag maybe they put 5 to 10 real things that prove that you are taking in reality parcel. But be careful about this is a scam. So don't give any amount to any person outside of shop, outside of restaurant, outside of any shopping mall. Don't give anything, only do purchasing inside shop, inside proper company or branch or any office, inside office. Outside, if you will give any amount to outside any person, so it's mean they are trapping you. You will go on customer location, you will not find anything and your money will go, and when you will open that shopping bag, you will find nothing. So be careful about this, and at the last, take care of yourself and take precautions and manage things, try to manage things, and everybody learn with time to time. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I am very thankful you see my video. Take care. Thank you. Salam alaikum.